as I mentioned, mistakes will happen. This is sad truth actually, but let's look at the most frequent mistakes so you know you can be ready for them. First, as you see here, is a bubble under the graphic. It's an air under the vinyl. This is an installation error, which can be corrected easily by bleeding air from the bubble with a bubble needle or a pin. Be sure not to use this with a tip of a knife, as this will make a cut type slit, and this means that it may become larger over time and create a visible slit in the design. But bubble needle makes a tiny round hole which doesn't get bigger. This is also a mistake, but happens often. This is a case when material is not installed properly at the edges of the car. For example, a door's edge or a car's back hatch's edge. Installation error again. There is a small chance to add liquid glue to the detail edge and press the sticker back to surface. Or maybe you can cut slightly the loosened material off, but there is a big possibility that you have to simply change the detail sticker for a new one. If a vehicle is returned to you with the pieces missing from the vinyl, then you can be sure that this is a customer-specific washing error. It is like that a pressure washer has been used with too much pressure and too close to the graphic. You can cut the ruined part away at all or change the sticker completely. If the customer comes to you and shows you that vinyl has come loose and bubbling at the curved edges of body details, then unfortunately you have to admit that this is a mistake made by installer, assuming you use the correct wrapping material film. If not, then it's your fault or the manufacturer's fault who picked the wrong material. The vinyl may not have been cut correctly or heated sufficiently after the wrapping. Yes. In any case, apologize to the customer and agree on a time when you can fix it. And this means you need to remove it and make the new sticker. This is actually an aftermath of previous slide's error. If the sticker has come off from the edges and is left like this, then air, what is under the sticker, will dry the glue away. This means that the vinyl is simply dried out and after washing probably simply broken and loosened. There is nothing you can do. Well, you can cut the loosened part away, but this leaves a big area where there is no stickers. Still better than this look, but the best version is to put up a new stickers there. This is what looks like when over-laminate loosens or bubbles on the vinyl surface. A production defect, because the laminate was applied too early and the ink has not dried properly. This is especially common for large-scale dark prints. If you rushed the production, then it is your fault, or client's fault if they rushed the production. You cannot do anything, simply make new stickers. A matte graphic is turned glossy, or glossy graphic has become lighter. This problem is caused by excessive heating or stretching during installation. Therefore, installation error. You cannot do anything else than replace the vinyl. Vinyl is not cut through on the edges of vehicle detail. Usually, this may happen to few filler flap or some body detail spacing. Sometimes this happens, especially if there was a tight timetable and the job was rushed, or maybe this detail was taped by trainee or something. Just return to wrapper and let this cut through done properly. Here you see that old graphics have been removed, but the adhesive has not been cleared correctly. Even when it looks cleaned at first, especially if surface of trailer is not fully smooth and appear a clean white surface. But when driving around, the adhesive becomes covered with the dust and becomes so darkly visible. Like it would have been never cleaned at all. In any case, it is an installer mistake and the new adhesive removal is required. This is actually kind of mystery. If it would be badly taped or taped on not clean surface, it would make the whole sticker to get loose. Here only vinyl part has gone away and left the adhesive still on the surface. My guess would be that some bad quality vinyl has been used, defective vinyl maybe, or maybe simply the cheapest material possible. Other possibility is that some unusual chemical was used on washing, maybe in pre-wash choking. What started to react with the vinyl material and it came off. Anyway, this cannot be fixed and needs replacing. If your wrapped car is starting to shed a transparent, non-sticky material, then do not be worried. Wrapper has probably used, for example, 3M's 2080 series red vinyl and forgot to remove this transparent layer. This layer protects vinyl from scratches when tape is pressed on the surface. Rookie mistake, but nothing to worry about. Just your wrap is all good. Simply remove the transparent layer or let your wrapper do it themselves. It's okay.